Moto 7 up at the gate. It's the 8 novice class. We have Fearless Faith Russell out of Bradford, Rhode Island, doing it for Robolaw. Max Letourneau out of Coventry. Ian Grace out of Central Falls, and Ben Conway out of East Greenwich, Rhode Island. Gate drops down. Looks like that's a 56 bike of Ian Grace on the front side. But Fearless Faith Russell pulls into the lead. That's Russell, Grace, Conway, Russell, Grace, Conway, Letourneau. In that order, that's Fearless Faith Russell doing it for Robolaw, the number 16 bike holding on to the front spot, followed by the 850 of Ben Conway out of East Greenwich. And that's Ian Grace, the number 56 bike out of Central Falls, followed by the 822 of Max Letourneau out of Coventry. And taking the win for the day, it's Fearless Faith Russell, followed by Ben Conway for the second, Ian Grace for the third, and Max Letourneau.